If you think learning AI is overwhelming or just for tech geniuses, you are wrong. 2 years ago, I was exactly where you are. I tried every AI tool, watched endless tutorials, and still felt lost. But now, I can automate entire business, generate content in seconds, and even make money with AI. And if I had the exact strategy I'm about to show you, I could have mastered AI in just 30 days. So, in this video, I'm handing you my exact 30 days roadmap step by step so you can copy it. Go from AI noob to AI pro fast. Here is my master strategy on how to go from noob to AI pro in just 30 days. It all begins from the big idea. What is this big idea? Well, let's see. So start randomly takes you nowhere. You can just go randomly on look some different AI tools, start using those AI tools. But what will happen at the end? When you have no goals, you reach nowhere or you reach some place where you don't want to go. So if you really want to achieve some result in just 30 days, if you really wanted to go to AI Pro in 30 days, then you need to start with some kind of big idea, the big strategy, the clear goal in the mind on what you want to achieve, how you will do that. So for that, you need a big idea. So how you find the big idea? Ask yourself, do you want to use AI for content creation? Do you want to automate business workflows? Are you trying to build an AI powered side hustle? What exactly is your goal? What exactly is your big agenda? So do you wanted to use AI to automate your whole social media strategy, to automate your social media agency service? If you are running the social media agency, then do you wanted to automate it for your clients so you can create the content faster? If you are running a business automation agency, so do you wanted to use AI in your automation so you can make your client more profit, more revenue? So what exactly is your big goals? Once you define that, then it will be much easier for you to go ahead with this. Why it is important? Well, it will decide only the tools you are going to use in this 30 days to master these things, the projects that you are going to work on, and how you practice AI daily. Right? Until you are not clear on what is your agenda for this, what you wanted to actually achieve, you will just go and learn some random tools. There are thousands of tools available online, right? But to be clear on what actually you have to work on, you need to be clear on what actually you wanted to achieve and how you practice it daily, because this practicing thing different for each person with each different goal. Everyone wanted to achieve something else with this thing. So if you have the goal clear in mind, then what steps you have to take in the next 30 days to become the master, it will be very clear to you, and then you will be able to achieve that. Now, what are those 5 tools? So there are thousands of tools, as I said, available online. Every day new tool arise in the market. But if you just go and try some random tools, it won't going to help you. So after like learning AI from 2 years and test out multiple tools in the market, I figure out 5 AI tools that can help you to start with this thing, with the journey. And it's also free, so you don't have to pay for it. You can start with this to testing it, and then once you become pro, you can go and test out some other paid tools as well. Even these tools have the paid version, but you don't need to start with the paid if you're just starting to learning it. So let's see what those tools are. So for each different category, I divided those categories and gave a best tools that you can start with in each of these category. So for text to image AI tool, you can use Leonardo AI. This is what I use when I have to generate the images. It have multiple tokens for free on a daily basis that you can use to generate the images. Text generators AI tool, you can use the ChatGPT. Again, it is free tool, very popular and works really good when it comes to generate some kind of text. Next is text to video. You can use InVideo for this. So you can simply go and give the input in the text format, and InVideo will generate the video for you, which is really good if you see the result. So first of all, I am not an sponsored, these are not a sponsored video, so I'm not promoting these AI tools, but these are the tools that I started my journey and I found this pretty useful and easy to start with. That's why I'm sharing this. But if you wanted to go with some other AI tools, you are free to go with. And if you don't have the idea of which AI tools you should go, try with this one. These are the best recommendation from my side, but you are free to go with if you need to some other tools as well. If you wanted to set up the AI automation tool, go with the make.com. Now apart from this, there are thousands other tools as well. Based on what your goal is, if you think that your goal, your big idea, your agenda is something which will not be fulfilled from these tools on the screen, then you can use some other tool as well. I give you most of your agenda, most of your big idea will be clear by using these tools. Okay, but if you have something else in mind, if you wanted to achieve something else, then you can simply use some different tools for that purpose. Alright, so now so far you got the big idea, your big goal, your big strategy, what you wanted to achieve, and you know what tools you have to use for that purpose. Now let's see how you actually do that. So what's the way to become a pro? You got the big idea, you got to know what tools you have to use, but now you need a proper strategy, because just by knowing the tools that you have to use, you won't become the pro in it. You need a right strategy for that. How will you do that? Let's see. So first thing that you don't have to do, don't watch videos, don't always watch tutorials. So watching tutorials won't make you an AI expert. I know when you go in the YouTube, there are so many different tutorials available, and when you watch it, sometimes people are stuck in the loop of watching different tutorials, different AI videos. But if you just keep watching tutorials one after the another, it won't going to help you at all. So what actually you have to do? You have to implement that thing. Just watch one video and that's enough. Just go and implement, test it out by yourself. The more you do, the more you will learn. Okay? And what's the way for this? So I'm not simply saying just go and implement, but I will also give you the strategy, the right way. Let's see the way. So solve a real world problem using the AI. As I said, do you wanted to use it to create your own social media agency? Do you wanted to use it to create the content for your Instagram page, for your YouTube? Do you wanted to start your own blog? So you need to solve some kind of real problem. Okay, and that will help you to actually become a pro in this field. Well, understand this one thing is very important. If you just go and use some different tools and not actually able to implement that to solve some kind of real problem, there's no benefit of that tool. Using some AI tool is not going to help you. The use of that tool to solve some kind of problem, that will going to help you. So for example, if you are running, suppose there is a business that has a lot of customer queries came on a regular basis, but that business is not able to handle all those queries by themselves. They need some extra team members to handle or to answer all those queries. So if you can build some kind of chatbot for that company, if you are able to generate some AI machine that answer those queries for them, then that is the practical use, the real use for that AI. Well, the example that I gave is kind of very advanced level thing, but still it's just an example. So similarly, find out the real world use case for the AI and then implement that for that purpose. So once you do that, once you do the practice in this way, you will get the real result, and then you will become to noob to the pro. Now let's see what project you can do, okay, to be more clear. So for example, if you want to create social media content using AI, it can be your blog, it can be the Instagram, it can be the Facebook, anything. So step 1, what you have to do, you can use AI to research your niche first. Alright, go and use the AI to find your niche, to research more about your niche, the target audience in your niche, whom you are going to help, what their problems, what their dream outcomes, what their goals, what their aspirations of your target audience. Do all kind of research, and you can simply do this research using the AI. So if you are going to implement the AI, this is your first step for the social media thing. Okay, then step 2, create topic ideas using the AI. So now you know about your audience, you know in and out about your audience, you know their pain, you know their strength, you know their desires, you know everything about your audience. Now it's time to create the topic ideas for your social media. So use AI, create the topic ideas. Step 3, convert topic ideas into engaging content with the AI. So even AI can write you the complete blog article, AI can write you the captions for the Instagram, AI can write you the reel script, AI can write you the script for your YouTube videos. So all these things can be done by the AI. So once you decide the topic idea, now use the AI to write the content for you. Alright. Step 4, generate images that go with your content. So you got the content, but content is not that good, not that engaging until you don't combine that with the image. So next step is create the images with the help of AI. As I give the tool to you, Leonardo.ai, you can use that for the image generation. Step 5, use AI to generate the hashtags. There are many hashtag generator AI tool available, and use that and create your first 5 posts, publish it and see the result. Alright. So this is example if you wanted to use AI for the purpose of content generation. Now suppose your main goal is not to generate the content, but your main goal is to automate something in your business or in the client business. You wanted to provide the automation service. Then your goal, the steps will be different. You need to know the process that you wanted to achieve. Alright. So whatever your big idea, you may be already doing it, or maybe you wanted to do it, but you need to know the real world process that you have to do manually. And now you know what task you have to do manually. So you can see like, okay, this task in my business or whatever I wanted to do, I had to do it manually. Now I can use this particular AI tool to do that task faster. Alright. So think it in that way. And simply create the steps for your particular goal, your particular big idea. Now you become AI noob to AI pro. So you have to simply do this for whole next 30 days. In the first week, just go and test out all those tools that needed you to achieve your goal. And then in the remaining 30 days, you have to master those AI tools by doing these projects either for you, or maybe you can do hire some work with some client for free to just test it, alright, and collect testimonial, and then you will become pro in the next 30 days. Now how you will make money out of it? Let's see that as well. So there are top 5 ways to make money. Okay, there are many ways to make money with the AI, but I listed the top 5 ways that actually not very competitive and you can start on that, and that actually makes you good money as well. So let's see. Method number 1, start your blog using AI. So if it's come to the writing content, AI is so good. What do you think need to understand while creating content using AI? Lot of people are going and creating the content using AI, so it becomes a plagiarized content. There are different tools available online that can check that if content is generated by the AI or not. So if you just simply use the AI generated content, it will become a problem. So you need to think creatively and convert that AI content into a content that sounds like you and in your voice, and is real in the not same like the other people. Okay. Second thing that you can do, create ebooks and sell on Amazon. Okay. So you can use the AI to write the ebook for you. There are like multiple thousands and lakhs of books available. Okay, millions of books available on Amazon. People are selling like crazy. Alright, so you can simply use the AI to write your own book. It can be like a novel, it can be the children's book, story books, all kind of different books. Okay, so you can use the AI to write those books for you, and then you can simply go and upload in the Amazon or Kindle and sell it. Alright, method number 3, social media marketing services for business. Alright, so you can simply, once you master the AI tools which is needed for this purpose, you can go and start your own agency, the social media marketing agency, and providing this service to the business owners, to the other people who need these services. Okay, at this particular, in this era, everyone needs the social media. Alright, so they can promote, they can take their online presence and make money out of it. It's important to have the online presence at this time. So basically every business needs this. So you have to simply master this using the AI. So you can simply do it without putting so much effort, and then you can sell it to so many different clients and make money out of it. And simply you can charge like $500 per month for doing social media, and simply you have to use the AI for this, so you don't have to do anything manually. Isn't it good? Isn't it cool? Method number 4, start affiliate marketing of AI tools. So suppose you decided, okay, I wanted to go more with the AI, so you will start learning different AI tools, and the tools that you think is actually very good, you can do the affiliate promotion for that tool by making the AI videos, by making the videos about the AI tools, by writing the content about the AI tools, or simply those things. Alright, and you will get the commission for the each sale that you will do. And method number 5 is my favorite, and it's not that easy as well, but will make you the most money in all these things compared to, that is build AI chatbot for the business. Right now the big business need these chatbots, but they don't know how to build that. They don't have the capacity to spend their resource, spend their money, spend their time to understand how to build these things. So they are ready and they are very okay to hire people who can build these things for them. So if you can build the chatbots, all right, then you can simply sell this service to other businesses, like for $3,000, $5,000, or maybe more, depends on how big the business is, how big the problem you are solving. All right, and then you can make a lot of money from that thing as well. Now one thing you need to understand, sometimes even though I said you all of these things, many times people fail in this thing. Why people fail with the AI? So no one is going to pay you for using some AI tool. As I said in the start, you don't have to simply master just some random AI tools. No one is going to pay you for using those tools. If it's just about only using the AI tool, they can do that by themselves. So why they will pay you, right? There should be some enough and the right reason for that. And what is that reason? You know the strategy, you know the reality, you know how to actually do it. So you need to solve some real world problem with combining multiple tools together. So what does that mean? Suppose, as I gave you the example of the social media marketing agency. So in that, you simply, if you are just saying like I can use a chat GPT, if you go to the business and say I can use chat GPT, can you hire me, can you provide me some work? They won't, because if you can use, they can also use. AI is such a simple thing, people can spend 30 days and become master in it. So why will they pay you? So if you say like I can help you to become take your social media growth to the next level, maybe I can help you to gain maybe this much followers or that much followers in the next 30 days, in the next 60 days, using my social media marketing strategy, and I will create the content for you, increase your followers, build more eyeballs on your content, and help you to generate more leads from social media. Then people will ready to pay you for that. So you don't just become the master of any AI tool, but you solve the real world problem, and then people will pay you for that. So this is the whole strategy. And once you follow these things, you will become from noob to AI pro in 30 days. Trust me guys, if I had this strategy in the start, I don't have to spend 2 years to learning the AI and become master in it. I did not have such a strategy in the start, but now I can automate the complete business. I can make the money out of AI in no time. So this is really good. So just follow this strategy and you will become the master in it. Now one thing, I have the free community right now. Okay, the link is in the description. You can join my free community to have a direct chat with me, to get direct help with me. Okay, so that community is free for now. I shared about the AI tools, AI automations, how can you start using the AI in your business, how you can automate your business so that you can scale faster. All those things I shared in my AI free community. I will keep doing some free resources over there. You can join, you can chat with me over there, and soon it will be paid. So right now you have the time to use it for free. All right, I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Okay.